What's up guys, it's DJ Damps Rough Fusion 4, I'm back with another video. So I'm going to do something completely different, and it's another unboxing video that I'm going to be doing, because in the last video I've done an unboxing of a Nintendo Switch Pro controller which I've got recently as well. So I thought I'd just treat myself to this Jam hang-around Bluetooth speaker which I got for Argos for 59 UK pounds over in the UK. So let's see what it's actually got in the box and what its specs is. So it's got 20 hours of play time, 100 feet range, 30 meters, integrated charging cable. So you can actually connect this to your standard wall charger and it works absolutely fine. You can use it as a speakerphone for sure for that. And it's water and dust proof, which is brilliant. Pair to hang around speakers. But the other text is underneath, they're all in different languages. So let's see what this bad boy has. So I've opened this up earlier on, so I thought I'd just do it again just to make the video out of it. So let's open this bad boy then. But first of all, let's see what this is. So this is the bad boy that's on the speaker itself. So it actually resembles the noughts and crosses itself, and I like the Jam ribbon holder as well. So let's get this bad boy out. But I've actually tried it. It goes freaking loud for sure. It's like having the days back where people just walk around with their old school boom boxes and ghetto blasters. Yeah, so I like the actual design of it. It's just so unique and trendy and brilliant as well. But it's fashionable as well. So what I like about it, it's got the USB charger cable with it. So it's actually a micro USB. But you have to put it from the middle first, or else if you pull it from here, you're going to stretch it, just like what I just did now. Yeah, so you got the standard micro USB cable and standard USB end as well. Yeah, so we've got in here, you've probably not got to see it well, but you've actually got a place to actually put your USB cable. So this thing here is the actual base cone itself, if you don't know what it is. And I don't even notice it's actually the base cone. And this one here gives you the description of what these buttons actually do. So I'd rather leave that on there for sure, because not everyone's got to know what these are. But it will be stated in the manual as well. Yeah, so that's that on it as well. So let's open this thing up then, if we can. So, and not just that, it's actually shock proof as well. Yeah, so you got the charging input, and you also got a standard aux input as well, 3.5mm. So you can actually connect your phone or whatever, your games console like the Nintendo Switch to it. And I even tried connecting the Switch to it. The cinematic sounds coming from this thing is just unbelievably good as well. So that's to power on. So hold it for a few seconds. So that's what it sounds like when you turn it on, and that's your volume down and that's your volume up. But if you hold this for a few seconds, that's to skip back. And if you hold this for a few seconds, that's to skip forward. So as soon as you turn it on, it waits for you to pair up a device to it. Yeah, so this noise actually does get a bit annoying, to be honest, as well. So let's see what we've got in underneath this thing. So underneath this thing is actually, oops, they actually fell out as well. Oh god, what am I like? Yeah, so tell Jam about your Jam, jamaudio.com, facebook.me, jamspeaker, at jamspeaker. They even got their social media links on there, and they even got their own Amazon profile on there as well, which is absolutely unique. And this is your health and safety information and your warranty or whatever. And what have we got here? What is paused? Okay. You know what? I'm actually glad I've actually bought this. The Jam support team is here for it. Contact us with any questions or concerns regarding your product. We want to get back to the play. So I'll tell you something. The bass coming from this is just absolutely unbelievable. It's just so sick. That's all I got to say. But when you play music from this thing, oh my god. Your whole body just literally shakes, just like mad. But I just gotta say, that's the unboxing of this wicked Bluetooth speaker done by the make called Jam, and I think this is really sick as well. So I just gotta say thank you for watching, guys, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And also, I do post gaming videos every now and again, but I always try to do something completely different on the channel as well. So take care, guys, have a good one. Peace out. Liney Damps signing out. Yo.